Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about your brake hoses. This little 11-inch hose, you have 6 of them up under your feet. They get brittle with time. They hardly ever break on you, but if you ever try to move them, you're going to probably crack one and then you're going to have a leak. So this is what the internal brake hoses look like. You have them in your airplane, and we're going to take a look at them, and we're going to look at the external brake line, so stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So that's what one internal brake line looks like, but you need those 4 for the pedals, left and right, both sides, and 2 to connect to the lines to the fuselage. So you need a set of 6 of those. Now, back in the day, they weren't all that expensive. You can still call Fletcher up, and they have some. They have new old stock from 1990 from AGAC, and maybe some new ones. Now, this is an external brake line, and the external brake lines are out of aluminum. Now, these are flexible, so these won't ever crack on you. Just like the hard aluminum lines you have on there. So they're nice and flexible. They're stainless steel. They won't corrode. You don't need to paint them. But that's what the external brake line looks. By the way, the internal brake lines now are about $420 a set, and the external brake lines are $450 a set. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Check out the ones on your airplane. You'll probably have to change them again in another 40, 50 years. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying. You're Grumman. Forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.